Well, it's Sunday the 8th of June, and it's about 5:30 in the evening. I'm feeling a lot better today than I have all week. I slept really well, got 10.5 hours sleep. I just woke up a couple hours ago. It wasn't a straight 10 hours. It was broken up, as usual. But I'm just getting ready to try to fix some dinner. Don't know what I'm going to eat, but I'm going to eat light. I'm not sure I'm going to be in the studio tomorrow. Maybe you can tell I got a little bit of a raspy voice right now. Yesterday you couldn't even understand me. My lungs, when I breathed in, were so congested that it sounded like gravel. My feet were being dragged on gravel, and that was keeping me awake at night. I've had really bad sleep all week, but I'm feeling, like I said, a lot better today. But I ain't gonna push it, because the last thing I want to do is be right back in bed for another week. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see all of you, well, sometime this coming week, I'm sure. I just don't know what day it'll be. Good night, everybody.